Today we are talking about Donald Trump's new immigration ban, his presidential proclamation. And the question that I'm going to answer in today's video is, how does this proclamation that came out on April 22nd, 2020, how does this impact people who are waiting for a K-1 visa, a fiancé visa? That's the question we're going to dive into today. If you don't know me, I'm Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer here in Los Angeles, and I help people across the country and around the world with their immigration cases. We get people work visas, green cards, citizenship through the national naturalization process, and many other things. So this proclamation came out, and at first when he announced it by tweet, it was a ban on immigration. But then the announcement was a temporary suspension of immigration. And when we actually look at the terms of this, it's far more narrow than I would have thought. And there is a carve out for non-immigrant visas. So if you're seeking a B1 visa, a visitor visa, or a student visa, or a J1 visa, these are non-immigrant visas and they're not impacted by this proclamation. Now, a K-1 visa is technically considered to be a non-immigrant visa. So by the terms of the proclamation, this ban does not impact you if you're seeking a K-1 visa, or if you're petitioning for your fiance to get a K-1 visa. You don't have to worry about this directly. However, there is a carve out, a little quirk in this in Section 6. Section 6 says that 30 days after this order is issued, and it was issued on April 22nd, so that would be May 23rd of 2020, the president is going to revisit this issue, or can revisit this issue, and upon the advice of his cabinet, certain members of his cabinet, they can revisit the issue of non-immigrant visas. So it hints at, or it suggests the possibility that Trump may go after non-immigrant visas later on in May. Non-immigrant visas are important to the business community through H-1B visas and O-1 visas and L-1A visas and things like this. But the questions that I seem to be getting all the time are about the K-1 visa, the fiancé visa. So the final message I have for you is, if you're seeking a K-1 visa right now, this ban does not directly impact you, doesn't directly affect you, but 30 days from now, it could be a different story. If you have questions or need help, I'm here for you. I am ready to help you or answer any questions that you have, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and be well.